Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform model at Lunis Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our sixth lecture titled What is Information System? So I have divided my sixth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is information system? What are the main components of information system? Language activities including building vocabulary, pronunciation, and finally grammar. Last element about your assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. So what is information system? An information system is a combination of software, hardware, and telecommunication networks to collect useful data, especially in an organization. Many businesses use information technology to complete and manage their operations, interact with their consumers, and stay ahead of their competition. What are the main components of information system? It has 5 components: hardware, software, data, and finally telecommunications. Language activities, information theory as a noun. As an uncountable noun, mathematics means a theory that is used to calculate the most efficient way to send information over distances in a form of signals or symbols. Finally, please learners, don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.